In the land of Uz, there lived a man named Job, blameless and upright, one who feared God and turned away from evil. He was the greatest man among all the people of the East alive, known for wisdom, kindness, and a heart pure before the Lord.
He had 7 sons and 3 daughters, who gathered often to feast and celebrate the blessings of life.
After each feast, Job would rise early and offer burnt offerings for his children, saying, "Perhaps they have sinned in their hearts."
His possessions were vast, 7,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, and hundreds of oxen and donkeys. Yet amid all his blessings, Job's heart remained steadfast toward Him, giving glory to God in all things.
And there was peace in the house of Job, a calm before the storm that heaven had foreseen.
But above the earth, unseen eyes watched, for a test of faith was soon to begin. One day, the heavenly court gathered before the Lord, hosts of angels standing in awe.
And among them came the adversary found, the accuser who roams. From where do you come? From roaming the earth and walking upon it.
Have you considered my servant Job? There is none like him on earth, upright and blameless.
Does Job fear God for nothing? Have you not blessed the work of his hands?
Behold, feet, all that he has is in your power. Only do not lay a hand on his person.
And so, the test began. Ochel.
Darkness drew near to the house of Job, where faith would soon meet fire.
One morning, as Job's servants tended the flocks, the earth still knew peace, unaware of what approached.
The Sabians attacked and carried off the oxen and donkels, and they struck down your servants with the sword.
Job's peace shattered in a single breath. From the desert came a mighty wind, and it struck the 4 corners of the house.
3 messengers, 3 wounds, but the worst was yet to come.
Grief tore through him like a storm. The greatest man in the East lay broken in the dust. The test had begun, and the heavens watched as faith stood alone.
You incited me against my servant Job, yet he still holds fast his own bone.
You knew exactly what you were doing, didn't you? Don't pretend your faith makes you innocent in this. The evidence is clear.
Pain devoured him, from crown to soul. The Prince of Uz became a man of ruin.
Do you still hold to your integrity? Curse God and die!
Shall we accept good from God and not trouble? When his friends heard of his suffering, they came to comfort him, and Kas, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar.
For 7 days and 7 nights they sat with him on the ground, none speaking, for his pain was very great.
Let the day perish on which I was born. May darkness claim it and light.
Who being innocent has ever perished? Consider again, those who sow trouble reap it.
Among them stood Elihu, the youngest, silent till now, burning with words unspoken.
I am full of words, Ain. The spirit within me compels me. Great men.
Far be it from God to do wickedness. Surely he repays man according to his deeds.
His words trembled with both truth.
Then came the storm town, a voice not born of man, but of the Almighty.
Who is this that darkens counsel by words without knowledge?
Tell me if you understand.
I am vile. I lay my hand upon my mouth.
Will you condemn me that you may be justified?
Hear, and I will speak. From the storm came not...
My wrath is kindled against you, for you have not spoken what is right, as my servant Job has.
And so the wounded man became the healer, praying for the very ones who accused him.
Lord, remember them with mercy.
Then the tide turned, the darkness lifted, and the dawn of mercy. The Lord restored Job's fortunes Enki, and doubled all he had lost.
And after this, Job lived 140 years, and saw his children, and his children's children, 14,000 sheep, 6,000 camels, 1,000 yoke of oxen,
So Job lived 140 years, seeing 4 generations after him, full of days, full of honor, full of God.
From the ashes rose a man, unbroken. His story endures,